and dolls and bouncing ball. There is fun enough for all. Take a turn and pass it on. Sharing makes the joy live long. Share with friends, be kind and fair. Show your love in all you share. Smiles will grow both big and wide, with kindness always by your side. If your friend is feeling blue, share a hug or toy or two. Little acts of caring hearts bring the brightest, happiest starts. Snacks and crayons, books to read. Help a friend who's in need. Giving makes your heart feel light. Turns the day to pure delight. Share with joy, don't say it's mine. Kindness makes your spirit shine. Hand in hand we laugh and play. Sharing brightens every day. At the end of every day, friends remember how we play. Kindness stays and love will grow. That's the best gift we can show. Share with friends.